I've made a video regarding how to handle mobile phone. At the same time, also applicable to laptop too. Now, I've made a video how to handle mobile phone if it fall inside water or water enters it or any type of liquid. Now, you see, this phone, this is Xiaomi, yeah, Xiaomi Redmi 13C. So this person got is not quite long. So the person want to make use of the toilet, and this phone drop inside inside the closet. And that was in the night. Then he took it to a place, and she was advised to put it in the rice. No, for a couple of days, for 2 days or about over 24 hours. Water is still there. I don't know why people believe that water can remove rice, rather. I don't know why people believe that rice can remove water from a phone. And so many phones are spoiled that way. If your phone fall inside water, so maybe if it happens in the night, where you can maybe like put inside rice, but immediately turn off your phone, and maybe since there's no one, when there's no one around that you can give it to, maybe because of the time of the day, so you can't see anyone. Maybe it happened 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 12 midnight. There's nothing you can do. So you can just turn the phone off. Don't be deceived that the phone is still working. Turn it off immediately. And if you have rice, just put inside the rice. You put inside the rice just so that whatever the rice can extract, but definitely rice cannot extract water totally from the phone. And immediately that the day breaks, you take it to a competent technician to help you open it up and extract the water from the phone. The mission is to make sure that the water is removed from the phone. Because literally, water will not damage your phone if there is no power inside, and the source of power is the battery. So if your phone fall inside water, if you can remove the battery instantly. But if you can't, you just maybe like put it inside rice. But the first thing that you need to do is just to turn the phone off. Otherwise, that might be the end. Like this phone, it's not working anymore. Yeah, it's dead. It's dead. So I try to, print up. It has damaged things permanently. You are going to see sign of it, what it has done to the motherboard and to the screen flex. Yeah. So when your phone falls inside water, if the battery is not removable, turn off the phone immediately. That is number one. First step is to turn off the phone. Don't be deceived that the phone is still working. Turn it off. That is first thing. The first step you need to take. Next thing is, if it happened in the night, in the middle of the night, so you just maybe like put inside rice, but you can just leave it like that. Then, as day breaks, you take it to computer technician, and if it happened during the day, immediately turn off the phone and take it to computer technician, and explain to the technician that this is what happened. So a computer technician will know what to do. The mission is to eradicate water from the phone. Yeah. So basically, that is it. It's as simple as that. But being deceived that the phone is still working and start to use it, the effect could not be immediate. So little by little, you started be seeing signs that the phone is start to misbehave. You got to the point that the phone will just turn off and it will not turn on again. So why wait? Why wait for all that to happen? No, you don't need to. So, take the necessary steps and save your device from death, untimely death. Yeah. So do that. So basically, that is that. The same thing is applicable to laptops. That maybe there's a spill, liquid spill on your PC or water spill on your PC. First thing to do is to remove the battery. But if you cannot remove the battery, look for a competent technician. Or maybe it happened. Maybe when it happened, you cannot see a competent technician. Make sure that you shut down the PC. If I don't shut down manually, you just force and press first shut down the PC, and that is basically pressing the power button for a long time. That is forced to shut down and shut it down. At the convenient time, then you take it to a competent technician to look into it and remove the water from the PC. So, whatever the device that you're using, in as much as it is electronic device, it's going to make use of battery. And water and battery, they are enemies. They are enemies. Yeah, it's not that water is going to maybe like act on a battery, but since batteries on the phone or whatever device we're talking about, hence there's power on the distance in the device. So with introduction of water, there's going to be a problem. So it's going to speed up the damage of the device. All right. So you know what to do when that happens, and it's happening that this thing happened to this person. All right. Although it's fixable, but it's going to. I don't have the equipment for it. Yeah. Like all these BJ sheets, blah blah. Remove it, and and it's going to cost the person more. Yeah. So don't wait until this type of thing happens to your device. All right.